Now that we've programmed a linear, let's go ahead and program the circle. First in my program, I want to make clear where the circle is and where the linear line is. So I'm going to go to start. I'm going to put in a comment. There's my linear, and we're just going to put it, before we go home, we'll put a comment, and we'll call this the circle. Okay. To rotate the Copilot at 360 degrees, you have to start the circle at the back of the part. So that's why I'm rotating the arm to the back here. Come in for approach point. Program in the weld, but you can see that it says linear, so I'm going to press the bottom button that toggles between linear and circle, and now we have our first circle point. We're going to move 90 degrees around the circle, program in the second circle point. Rotate 90 degrees again. Program in the third circle point. And because the Copilot calculates circles in groups of threes, we now have our first set of 3 circle motions programmed. We're now going to program in the second set of 3. So in this same position where point 3 is, I'm going to place in circle motion number 4. Then I'm going to move around another 90 degrees. Circle motion 5. And then circle motion 6 is an air cut, and that's where it stops the weld. Another air motion, and as you can see that because this was the end of the circle motions, it automatically changed over to a linear when I went to the air motion. Okay, we still have our home here. And now what we can do is we can move to the start, and we can dry run the circle.